Welcome to the shop where I just picked up the new Dragonfire full doors for my Razor XP1000. Now these doors have got a metal frame on the inside and they've got a metal cover on the outside. This kit comes with both doors, the left and the right. It comes with two filler panels, the left and the right. It comes with the instructions, a couple stickers, and all the hardware needed for mounting the door. Let's get these things put on the Razor and see what they look like. As you can see, I've already got the Dragonfire Racing lower door panels and the door inserts installed. So whether you've got lower doors or not, the first thing you need to do is open the door and remove it from the hinges. In order to remove the door from the hinges, you've got two Torx bolts down here and you've got two Torx bolts up here. Next, you're going to want to remove your factory pins. They've just got little keepers on them. The keepers slide off and the pins pull out. And you want to install the hardware that comes with the Dragonfire kit. Now, I've already got the Dragonfire kit installed because I installed that when I installed the lower doors, so I'm not going to do that now. But all it is a bolt, a nut, and a couple washers. You tighten that up on your hinge. It's an anti-rattle. You ain't got to worry about no rattles or nothing, and if it ever loosens up, if your bushing ever wears a little, you can tighten it down a little more. Now, I did put a little Loctite on it just to be on the safe side. That way you ain't got to worry about them coming loose when you're out on the trails. These panels appear to be the exact same ones that came with my lower door kit, so I'm not going to change those out neither. All it takes is one clamp up here, as you can see. And it takes two bolts. One that goes into this clamp, and this bolt here just sandwiches the cage. So they're tight and secure. They don't rattle. They don't move. They're a snug fit. And when I say the bolt, this one up here attaches to this clamp on the inside. It takes a short bolt. This lower bolt goes through the hole on the outside and the inside with the nut on the inside. So it's a longer bolt. But it pinches this around the cage and it keeps it from moving, keeps it good and tight and secure. Next thing I'm going to do is slide the new Dragonfire door onto the hinges and install a couple of the bolts. With these two bolts started, I'm going to go ahead and slide one of my door stops in on top. I want to start my inner bolt. Next, I'm going to remove this stock latch. Next, I'm going to install the Dragonfire latch for this side. And these are latches. These strikers are different. You have a driver's side and a passenger side. Next, I'm going to need to remove the factory door locks mechanism. So I've got 3 bolts. I've got 2 more I've got to remove right here. And you're going to want to hang on to these 2 because you are going to need to reuse them. With those bolts removed, the latch should pull right out. Next, we're going to take the factory latch, slide it in to the Dragonfire door, line up our bolt holes, and reinstall our 2 factory bolts. With our latch installed, we can go ahead and test fit our door. Make adjustments as we need to. So the door looks good, so it fits good. Then we can tighten everything up. Now with everything adjusted and tightened up, the doors fit good, they open good, they latch good, they're ready to ride. With that said, if you're looking for a set of full doors for your RZR, the Dragonfire full doors I think are an excellent option. They offer plenty of protection. They're nice and strong. They got a good solid latch, and they're the creature comforts are a little bit better than the factory. So, but anyway, let's go do a little riding.